Hey guys, Sarton Productions here, and like in my last Minecraft video, I told you I'd show you the blizzard. It's just like a blizzard. I don't know if you can see the snow or not, but it's crazy. It's all on our porch. It's like ankle deep on our porch. Even upstairs. Okay, I live in an apartment complex. And look at that. See that? Stupid crazy, huh? Stupid. And back where I take my dog out, little Jackie Poo. Oh, look at this person. Is he gonna get stuck? Did he get stuck? Look at him run. I don't know if he just got stuck or not. I don't think so. But 2 people already got stuck this morning. It's stupid crazy. My mom's co-worker, she just lives right over there. She got stuck, so my mom's gonna have to be at work all day. It's stupid crazy. And back where I take my dog out, you can see it through my sister's window. Hannah, the noodles are burning. Hold on. I'm kind of cooking and I forgot. So, we'll just set those right there for now. Look at this. This is out my sister's window. You can see the snow here. And the people are just driving so slow. I don't know if you can see the cars or not. They're so slow. And over here. Over here. You can't see it on the camera. But there's like big mountain of snow. It's taller than me. I'm like 5 foot. 4'9". To be more technical. It's just crazy. Thank goodness there was a snow there, though. That would have been stupid if it wasn't. It's just so crazy. And I do really think that this guy got stuck out there. Can you see that tree? It's moving so viciously. You can't really tell on the camera, but the wind. I don't even think it's snowing that bad. It's just all the snow off the ground. Look at this guy run. It's just all the snow on the ground and the wind's so high, it's just like blowing it all up into snowdrifts. And I think that's what the snow is. I don't think it's actually snowing. It might be a little bit, but not that hard. It's crazy. It is just crazy. It wasn't even snowing yesterday. It snowed a little bit yesterday. Dang Idaho weather. Stupid crazy. I mean, it was fairly nice yesterday. But now you can hardly even see past that fence back there. Stupid crazy. This has been Sarton Productions 21. And see you guys in probably the next gaming video. See ya.